today's video, I'm going to explain how I plan on building wealth with driving my Toyota RAV4 and with my 2008 Honda Civic Si. So I just want to state both of these vehicles are paid off. My 2007 RAV4 is paid off, bought in cash, and my Civic Si, my 08 that I'm in right now, I bought this cash as well. So there is no hidden formula to this, guys. This is literally a simple method that I'm gonna use. It's not, you know, complicated. Anybody can really do this. I had a late start in life, but it's better late than never. So up until like these last few years, I've really been focusing on investing and trying to grow, you know, income streams. And I don't really talk about that much on the channel because this is like a car specific channel, but I wanted to incorporate it today because I feel like a lot of people out there are like struggling and they're trying to like figure out, you know, methods to essentially get out of the paycheck to paycheck thing. And that's something I've been trying to work on for a while. You know, I'm not going to just be able to retire tomorrow, you know, because I don't have like $1 million, but this is the method that I'm going to use that I think will transition my life as well as viewers who are watching this video. First step to building wealth that I'm going to use is to keep driving my used cars until I absolutely can't drive them anymore. That means, you know, out of commission, whatever the case may be, but avoiding essentially going out and having a payment. I'm not saying there's anything wrong. You can get a good used car if you have to take out payments or something. You can find something for you know, 10, maybe 20 grand or whatnot. So I'm not crapping on anybody who has to do that, or if you absolutely need to get a car loan because you have to get to work or whatnot. I'm not crapping on those people. I'm just saying for the people who just go out and buy a nice fancy car and then it's just like time to pay the monthly check or the monthly bill, and it's like over $600, right? Plus insurance. I'm talking about that. So the first step is I'm gonna, like I said, keep driving used vehicles, avoid getting payments. Not having a monthly payment going out to a vehicle that you don't necessarily own is going to help save money, right? So that step, the next step is going to come towards saving and investing money, right? So that money that I'm not spending on a vehicle, we'll just throw out a number saying $400 or $500, right? I can use that money and invest it in my Roth every month and just see that money grow over time, right? That's the plan, because essentially is you want your money to make money for you, right? Like Charlie Munger or Warren Buffett, one of the two, said that if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep outside of your 9-to-5 job, you're never gonna stop working until you die, pretty much. Having the ability to save and invest money every month is a super huge importance, and I'm gonna teach you guys a little trick on how I do that. And it's literally, I will take well, this is gonna stem into the next thing, but I'll take $100 a week, put it aside, and at the end of the month I'll have $400. That'll go right into my Roth automatically, and I don't have to think twice about it. The thing that I was saying it was going to stem into is always paying yourself first, guys. When you get a paycheck, you get paid every week, all your money is going out the door, right? People have expensive lifestyles. Everybody's got a different lifestyle, but everybody, for the most part, has an expensive lifestyle, right? Or wants things, or else we wouldn't be able to stay home and not work, right? So the next part is always pay yourself first, whether it's, I like to pay myself in cash every week. I usually give myself anywhere from $100 to $200 a week in cash. And some weeks I'll spend it on entertainment or on car stuff or Pokemon stuff, whatever I decide to use it for. But once that money's gone, it's basically gone. So I generally say pay yourself first, because you'd be surprised in what cash you can have if you're frugal at the end of the month. I guess a budget kind of stems hand in hand with that as well. If you guys want to know what I use for budget, just drop it down in the comments down below. I'll probably make another video honestly on this too. Definitely looks better than it did, that's for sure. Alright guys, just finished some Christmas shopping right now. The last thing I want to touch up on is how I'm going to build wealth in this new upcoming year. I've been working on this for a few years, is to pretty much live on less than you make, right? Easier said than done. Easier said than done. But if you make 50K, if you make, let's just say 40K a year, you're gonna want to live on like 20 or 30, right? You want to at least invest some of that money. So that's the ultimate key, really, is to, and it's all simple things, guys. You don't need to be a rocket scientist or some type of analyst to figure all this out, or whatever the word I'm looking for is. The fact is, the most simple things are the hardest things to do in life. The way I'm gonna utilize is live on less than you make is every time I get paid, more specifically like an overtime paycheck right now while trucking, my goal is to put half of that money away. So save a little bit, invest, and have some for fun, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys give me a like, drop a comment down below on what you plan on doing to build wealth in the new year coming in 2026, or just in general. And be sure to subscribe for more content, guys. I know stuff's been slow, especially with the 8th gen content, guys. It's cold, it's wintertime, and I've really done just about everything that I wanted to do to this car. So I'm really just chilling. Whatever I feel like I want to post from now on, I'm going to be posting that, whether it be a nice little cold day driving vlog. But yeah, just comment down. I'm curious to know what you guys are going to do to, build wealth, get yourself out of that paycheck to paycheck lifestyle. And I'm interested to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. So I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out. Merry Christmas to everybody, if I don't see you before then, and happy holidays.